Today I'm going to be creating a very easy, budget-friendly and delicious recipe that you're going to love. So I am going to be using some boiled githeri. I have some arrowroots, onion, tomato together with some spices and garlic and ginger. It is that simple and the outcome is just delicious. I'm going to start off by placing a pot over medium heat, and then I'm going to add cooking oil, add some onions, garlic and ginger, cook the onions until soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. To my pan, I'm going to be adding in 2 large tomatoes, my spices, stir in. You can add in a little bit of water so that the tomatoes can fully cook through. If you notice that the tomatoes are sticking to your pot, I'm going to be cooking mine for around 1 minute until the tomatoes are all mushy. As the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be adding in 2 seasoning cubes. Break down the seasoning cubes using my spatula and stir into the tomatoes. Once my tomatoes are ready, I'm going to be adding in my githeri. This is boiled beans and corn or maize. Add in my pot, stir in. Once everything is fully combined, I'm going to add in half a cup of water. Stir in the water into the githeri, and next I'm going to be adding in my already boiled nduma. Nduma is going to add a lot of creaminess to our githeri, hence you're going to have some amazing githeri. So I'm going to add my arrowroots into the pot as well. Stir into the githeri and let everything cook together for around 5 minutes. Before you let everything simmer, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add more salt. For me, mine is perfect because I added 2 seasoning cubes and they contain salt. So I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for around 5 minutes on low. After 5 minutes, I'm going to check on my pot. This is how it's looking. You can see how creamy the githeri is looking, and this is quite delicious if you try out the recipe. The githeri is looking very delicious and creamy. It's well seasoned, full of flavor, and it's just perfect for your lunch or dinner. So I'm going to be enjoying mine, and I hope you're going to try out this amazing recipe, which is very simple and delicious. Bye.